Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties here in Palos Verdes. Our real estate market is very hot. Homes are sometimes selling in less than a week. Now, you may not have all the time to get to all these homes, but I do. And I shoot a virtual tour to help you save time.
Hi, I'm Jason Buck. Welcome to my Palos Verdes Broker Open House Tour. Starting the day off on Silver Spur, which is actually on the other side of the street. So we're on an access street here, which is nice. So you're a little bit away from the other street. And this is beautiful. And we're looking into a canyon, and we got a view down to the city. It's a beautiful view. This is a clean home. I love the paver driveway. Nice little sitting area here up front. You know, quite pleasant. Come on in. We have a beautiful open room here. Look at this. This is really well done. All skim ceilings, recessed lighting. Nice family room area. Look at this backyard. Super nice. Here's our kitchen. I love a bar top in the kitchen because that makes this so much more communal. So everyone's hanging out, having fun here, and I can see straight out to the city from here. That's amazing. So nice upgrades in here. Tongue and groove, maple line, cushion clothes. That's nice. It's nice. So tight but great. This is great setup. And then dining, and then you got the family room. So really good concept and a beautiful fridge. Wow. Some extra storage. We come out here to our patio. Beautiful sunlight here. Come out to the yard. And bam, huge view. Straight shot down to downtown LA, right there. So that gives you a great view. And then you still have yard that comes down, and it's fenced down here, but then you have the canyon going all the way. So, looks like windows were done, the roof's in great shape. This is nice. Great little area here. Floors are beautiful. They're the maple, but they've been finished to look great. Look really good. And this is our bedroom wing. Once again, newer windows here. It's a beautiful room. Good size. Beautiful bath. Isn't that nice? And a nice floor to use slate. This one has its own bath, so this would be the master. Nice solid doors. So 1, 2, and once again everything's skimmed and recessed lighting. 3. So 3 bedrooms. Beautiful spot. All right, next up I'm on Via Castilla. This is located real close to the top of Via Romero. Great area on the top of the hill. This is pretty much the end of Palos Verdes Estates, and then Gold Meadows on the other side of that street there. So this will have a killer view. Look at how beautiful this is. Kind of a chateau. So the driveway comes around into that area there, 3-car garage. Super nice. Big double door entry. Wow. How beautiful. Wow. So we have a half bath here. Gorgeous faux painting. It's really amazing. Nice office right here. High ceiling. The faux continues. Comes on into this great room. Wow. And then beautiful setup here. Big, high ceilings. Love that. And come out to here. Wow, looking right down to Lunada Bay. It's Beautiful. And I'm looking and it looks like this path goes down. There's a hot tub over here. And then I can see a fence down there. So there's a path that wanders into this valley. Once again, just beautiful, beautiful view. All right, so big balcony here. When we come back into the property. I just love the high ceilings, the crown, the recessed lighting, and smooth ceilings. It's very nice. You have a formal dining room. The floors are oak with maybe an ebony layer. Maybe it's paint. Hard to tell. Beautiful room. On into the kitchen area with the nook. Wow, wool stove, Viking oven, nice cooktop here, and then a sink with a view. That's great. Nice, huge pantry, and then we have laundry right off, which is really nice. Big laundry area, room to fold, sink. That probably goes outside. This is the garage. So straight into a 3-car. It's extra deep, so there's storage in the back. It looks like central vac. And then that, I'm assuming, goes outside. I like the beams here in the ceiling too. It's pretty. So there's the bath, full. And then we have a room downstairs. That's always important. Storage closet here. Just a big, big room. And then the downstairs. Wow. 5th bathroom. Another bathroom. Call that the 6th bathroom. That's a 3-quarter. Wow. The ceilings are also high here. I mean, the door is at what, 7 or 7 feet? We got another 3 feet. So 10 to 11 foot ceilings. Something like that. These rooms have ocean views, which is really nice. And then you get into a big game room. So it's a wet bar and a nook. Oh, I love the Edison lights. I'm a big fan. So, wow. Another playroom or storage or something happening back here. Super clean. Crawl space. A lot of room here. Nice fire. Landing. There's the barbecue setup over there. And good view from here. It's nice you can close off that whole wing.
Hello.
Hello.
I said, oops, sorry. Look at the faux. Nice faux everywhere here. It's really pretty. Wow. Tub. Shower. And closet on either side. Of course, the view is amazing. All the way around. So you get sunsets all year long. Malibu being there. And then there's another little island somewhere in this area. So that's your sunset window. The Channel Islands you can see today. Nice. pretty. And a couple more bedrooms. A lot of rooms here. It's in the full bath. In the last bedroom. I like what they did with the ceiling. It's really pretty. It was a great spot. Beautiful home. All right, I'm now on Crestridge, which is a little community right off of Crenshaw. And there's some beautiful homes here, beautiful lots. It's very peaceful. As you can see the trees and so forth. Really nice spot. That's the driveway going down to the road. You got a huge platform up here. So, and a 2-car garage deep. So, right up to the top of the stairs here. Just wanted to kind of peek around here real quick. God, it's just a gorgeous day today. My thermometer said it's not 70, but it sure feels like it. It feels like 80. It's just crisp and clear and beautiful. Part of the reason why we live in Palos Verdes is because of the open land and the trees and beauty. What a neat place. So come on in. Nice big room here. We do have the cottage cheese and we have original windows, so we could do some work here. But this is a great setup in a beautiful area. Wow, this is a big open spot to do something. So cool. Nice room down here, fireplace.
Help yourself, vegetables. Thank you. Take care.
So let's look at the rest of this kitchen. I mean, this works for me. You've got the bar top and a way to hang out. And then you can do everything else you want with everybody here. Pantry. Linoleum floors in here, double sink, and a 3/4. Wow, look at this one. We got the beautiful hardwood. This is really nice. And again here too. I love the hardwood. It's really good condition. Beautiful. It's probably under the hallway here too. So this is nice, 4-bedroom. This one looks like they sanded, they cleaned it up. And this one would be your master because it comes on into this bath. And so, you know, could use some updating, but great bones and set up laundry here in the hallway. And then there is some room on this side as well. Not a lot. So, looking out here this way, it's beautiful. All right, I'm now at 8 Quail Ridge behind the gates in Rolling Hills. Rolling Hills is a gated community. You can't get in unless you have an appointment. And just some incredible homes back here. This is a beautiful property. We start off with a huge lot and a big 4-car garage here. And I like just a lot of stuff about how this is. So the main road's there and you wind down and you've got your barn access road that goes down below the home back that way. And then your garage is right here, your entrance, and then Shazam view. I mean, there are a lot of reasons to be back in Rolling Hills. If you are a horse person, that's probably one of the top reasons. A lot of these properties have stables and just open land. Most of them are acre. This one could use a little bit of work, but you know what? The bones, the lot, the view cannot be beat. I mean, it's really exceptional. Right now, that's a straight view past the hot tub to downtown LA. I mean, you just don't see stuff like this. Big open area, you know, some things that I would do to change it, like the seashell dining room cover. But you know, that's fine. Look at this big open room for your family room. I mean, just incredible. Sunken wet bar. And look at the doors going right out. I mean, this could be absolutely incredible. Got laundry back here. We got another game room. You have access to the garage. Shower, big pantry, beautiful kitchen. This looks into that family room. And then you have a covered area here. Get some grass, barbecue set up, and then huge open area. Wow, just amazing. So very rarely do you see Queen's Necklace, the beach, the surf, downtown, and all the way around. So this is something else. I'm not sure where the barn is. It's over here, yeah. It's over here. So there's where the road comes down to the barn, and that has a similar view. So that would just be awesome. You know, this is what living back here is all about. Just beautiful, serene, and peaceful. Wow, I like the double hot tub pond here. So you have probably the hot tub and then just a little waiting room. Yeah. Oh no, they're both waiters. Waiter, 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 hot tub over there. Okay. Coming back in this main big room. On into the formal room. Bedroom in the back with a walk-in closet, full bath or a 3/4. Another bath, just a half bath. Wow, this one goes out. Got some view here. Big bath. Tub shower. A walk-in. It's big setup. All these closets here. But then this is the master. Wow. Huge. Boarded up this tub too. Something's going on. But gosh, wouldn't it be nice to sit there and enjoy huge. Oh, this is just incredible. And you're looking out at the view again. Really, really nice. That's just perfect. That is beautiful. All right, I'm now on Deluna. We're up from Castellina above Marymount College. Last home today, not a lot of new inventory, a little surprising. Last week was pretty slow based on a holiday, and the week before though, incredibly active. The market, incredibly active. Homes that are priced right are selling in the first week. So there are things happening. If you'd like information, please write to me, call. I've got a lot to share. So this is 3345 Deluna. This is a beautiful area, the Marylest, Oceanside Marylest area. You peek through the trees down at the ocean out there. I mean, this is a great spot. So, nice front yard, beautiful setup, double door entry. Come right on in. Some nice floors here. They're all white. Beautiful room here. This is very nice. Nice big dining setup. Move on into our kitchen. Oh, this is beautiful. I like how it opens up. So you have all your good sized kitchen, beautiful stove, nice granite. triple lined. It's a nice setup. So you have a dining setup back here and a Dutch door going outside. You have these doors going outside. Nice pretty yellow flowers. It's a beautiful room. I like the bar top where you can hang out and eat and be social. Move us back this way to our bedrooms. Skim ceilings, recessed lighting. Then we have a big bath here. So 2 rooms on that side. That goes to the family area. It's another living area. And we have the master up here. Three-quarter. Nice bath. So, good setup. Bay window here. Nice home.
Thanks a lot for watching. If there's a home that you want to see, please write to me. I'd be happy to show it to you. I have a lot of information that I'd be happy to share. Just give me a call or write me an email. Thanks and make it a great day.